So essentially she goes in front of it. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it in Final Cut Pro today. So the first thing I did was I filmed it already in edits, and I wanted to make sure, what you wanna do is you wanna make sure that your like body goes out of the thing. So like you wanna make sure that when you like do it, let me press play for y'all. When it plays, you make sure you go out of the frame and back in. So being that I went out of this frame, I went out of the frame and then back in, just like that. I went out, so I went enough to go around. And then you want to add whatever you want it to say. So for me, I have mine saying, when you started editing last night, and you have to make sure the edit still looks the same. It's like relatable for photographers. This should like really help you scale, just like so. Going around the letters, and I'm coming back. So I'm gonna first export. I'm gonna delete this, right? I'm gonna delete what I wrote. I'm gonna export it like this first. I changed the quality to 4K up top. I'm gonna export this one. And when I'm done exporting it, I'm gonna have it without the text, and then you're gonna put the text back, and you're gonna export one with the text. Or you could do it first without the text and then put it with the text. And that's how you get that like that, boom. So now I have two versions, and we're gonna go ahead and take it into Final Cut Pro. I'm about to airdrop it right now into Final Cut Pro, and I'm making a new project. So literally I just named it Edit Reel Vertical, and then gonna change this right here to 2160 by 840, hit OK, and now boom, you're right in here. And it's a new project. So I'm trying to make sure this is a new project. Yeah, bet. Now you're gonna take your files that you have, drag and drop them in, just like so. Should be very simple. The one that has no text on it, you're gonna put on top. So I'm gonna go right on top of the one with no text. I'm gonna cut at where I'm gonna hit V so I don't see it no more. Just like so. Hold on, let me drag this over for y'all. Just like so. And I'm gonna cut where I want. So I want the text here first, and then boom, when no text is, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. I'm gonna go Command B right there in the middle, and then this part right here, I'm gonna take away. Well, not take away, but I got you. I'm about to show you how to do it. So this is gonna show. I'm gonna make it show. This is before, and then this is after. See, V again. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and right when it gets out of the frame, just like that, I'm gonna delete this part, and this part right here, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the magnetic mask right here, hit add magnetic mask. I'm gonna select him as best as you can. Hold Alt or Option to do the red, so the red circles allow you to not select these parts. This is in the paid Final Cut Pro, but you can also do it in the trial version. I have a tutorial on Patreon on how to get the trial for free. I also have the link on there too for you guys to get it for free. And yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and hit Analyze. It's gonna analyze it. If you already have Final Cut Pro, you can do this. If you don't, you can download the free Final Cut Pro. I'll drop the link for you guys to be able to download that as well. I'm also doing something I like to call PNG University, where I show you guys everything that took me almost 5 years to learn. I teach you everything in only 1 year. So every single month is gonna be a different module. Every single month we're gonna be learning something different. So for example, composition and framing, we'll be learning that in January. February, we will be learning about posing. And then March, we will be learning about business help and things of that nature. Oh, March we'll be learning about lighting. And then April, we'll be learning about business help and client management stuff. And every single month, we will have 4 monthly calls, which is going to be like calls with just the private community every Wednesday. And we're going to be talking about, what's going on that week and strategizing and like different things that we can do. But also, every video that I'll be creating and every class that I'll be creating throughout that month will be focusing on that one framework and that one skill. So we'll be focusing primarily on lighting in that 1 month, but primarily framing composition in that 1 month, because I figured out that people don't, learn things overnight. It takes repetition and skill. So if it takes 30 days and we're focusing on one thing, you're gonna be surgical in that one thing. So the goal is to go from 0 to surgical faster than I ever have. You know what I'm saying? Take everything that I've learned over the years and be able to teach you everything each month throughout this course. You guys are maybe like, oh my gosh, client texting. Some people are gonna be like, oh my gosh, he's gonna sell me this, how much is it? Before I even go click over there, it's $20, all right? It's $20. It's $20 for you to join open enrollment. Open enrollment is right now, it's $15, but then on January 1st, the classes will start. So if you want to be a part of PNG University, definitely make sure to go down below in the description. I'm going to leave the link down there below for you guys to be able to check it out. It is an amazing thing. I'm going to have so much fun. I'm going to do in-person workshops too, one every single month at a different state or city, and it's going to be lit, bro. And I might come to a city near you. So just join up. Lock in. If you're not in the Discord already, join the Discord so you can get alerts and everything. If you don't, want to go fully into it yet, but so you can be up to date on everything. But I'm gonna leave a link down below for you to join PNG University, brother. When I tell you this is gonna be amazing, every single month is something different, and you will have access to all the past modules. Right now, we have over 500 videos in there of things just like this. And also around the world of photography as well, just teaching you even deeper on the matter. You know what I'm saying? So right here, we're gonna go ahead and click this little blue guy up top. Bam, it's gonna move him out. You see how that just happened right there? Boom. And what you can do too to make this even like more, if you want to, you can select the feather and you can feather it out. So you can feather this a little bit more if you want to have it more blended. You can feather it more in, so that way, like, it goes like more in, so it doesn't, you feather them edges, right? So I'm about to go ahead and press play and we'll see how this came out. Very simple edit. And now I made a second one. I'm gonna hold Alt or Option, drag up, and drag this same one over here again, do the same thing, because I made two versions. So this one says when you start editing last night, and to make sure your edit still looks the same, this one says when your client pays the invoice immediately after you sent it 60 seconds ago. So if you're a photographer, videographer, content creator, or a model, and you're looking to like scale and level up, I'm gonna be hosting these workshops. I'm gonna be doing online classes as well. It does not matter where you're located in the world. If you wanna be a part of this, man, it's way cheaper than college, all right? Way cheaper than college. I'll be doing it for $20, bro. Way cheaper than college. So definitely join up, definitely become a part of the team, and I hope to see you guys over there. So this is exactly how you do this. And to export this, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go hit I right here. And when you hit I, you can, it just an in point, this is an out point. You can go ahead and export, and you can just name it, video 1. I'm gonna do video 1. You can see my settings. Go ahead, still my export settings right there. I'm gonna hit next, and then I'm gonna save it. I always save to my SSD. If you save anywhere other than the SSD, like your hard drive, you can save it to like, store, but I'm always editing on my SSD. I have videos and tutorials on that as well over here on YouTube for you guys to be able to check out for the free ski. And then the same thing over here. I'm gonna go hit I, O, boom, 4K, edit reel 2, and hit save. So what I did was I edited it. So what I did was I filmed it natively inside of the app, so that way it still felt native to when like the viewers watched it and stuff like that. Inside of the edits app, I filmed it once, and then I filmed it again with the text on top, and I just brought both of them over because the text that was in there was Instagram signature text. So I wanted it to kind of feel like it was made inside of the app. So take this idea, use this idea, and I'll see you guys in the Patreon. Until next time, Taxi.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I need